whoa. See us everywhere there. Anytime when I know day house, nothing they don't go do anything. You don't beg me. You say make I carry this belle. Say if I carry this belle, you go take care of me. See as I dey come back from hospital. This thing now, girl again. Wetin I go do? Ha! Hey, whoa. My husband, I don't know. I don't born 3 girls. This one now the 4th one. Now girls again. I beg may una help me. I don't know what my husband will do. No food for this house, no money. I no get strength to work. Hey.
Mama Janet, where my food? So you know prepare food for me. I just
they come back.
Come back from where?
They come back from hospital.
Hospital? Wetin you go hospital? Wetin they do again?
They say na girl.
Girl again? For this
no.
my house? You want see born girl join the 3 girls so you get one born girl again join? Hey, now wow.
This baby why I carry, I don't get her for dream. Say this baby, he go be doctor. Now the thing why I dream.
3 girls. Don't put another one 4. No, I need boy oh. I need boy.
My papa no dey, my mama no dey. What did I go do?
I'm blessed I go get another wife. I will get another wife who go give me boy.
Hey!
Go get another wife.
Make you know. If I finish this one, I go try again. I go try to born again. Even if I no born girl, I go born another girl. I dey tell you true. Now the thing why I go do. See, he get with one of my friend where as I dey come I meet am. He come tell me say he get the style where I go do. He get that style. I go come born girl. I don't even read. I write everything.
All the style when I don't do now, girl you dey born give me since. All the style when I don't do now, girl you see they give me.
Hey.
Which style one I want to again we go give me?
And this one I try my best. I try my best. But they say there is another style. I try my best. You go. Hey. No marry another wife. This another wife where you dey talk. It dey make my mind dey jump.
Because I now get girl you dey give me now. I want look whether that one will give me boy.
The time where you don't get money now, I marry you. Ho. I marry you the time you don't get shishi. You don't get anything. Now me and you they work. Now me and you they do anything.
You tell me say I get girl you
time
want
now
give me.
you they come out. You no go come back.
You tell me say I get girl you want
back.
give
They
me.
try my best make I born baby.
Hey, my friend, what is going on?
Now my husband though, as we enter, my husband say he won't buy something for me for this Valentine. Now the thing where my husband talk. My husband even take me out yesterday.
I heard you. It's
he dey no, I know they cry. And we dey plan. Me and my husband they plan where we go. Okay. Now the thing where we they plan.
Okay, I heard your voice. That's why I said let me come and check.
No, you don't say I get loud voice.
Okay.
Now so my voice be.
No problem.
Now so it be. Thank you. That rice where you give me yesterday. I beg if you get today, make you give me. Anytime I know the feature. Food for my house, but I know the feature.
Don't worry, if not that one, I go bring rice for you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Oh,
Bye bye.
Thank you. My husband give me money, make I take cook food. No money for food though. No money for food.
Mama Janet, I dey tell you say bless I want go marry another wife. What be money I take go marry that one?
All the money, even the one where they give me, where I keep for somebody, I don't use and finish. I give gbese too much. I just say tell you, I don't get anything.
So I can't bring money. You can't give me girl again. Another girl.
No be say if I get belle, you no go give me money. No be this thing no good. They say na girl. No, you supposed to they pray for me. They say one pastor, one prophet they pray. If that prophet pray for you, this pikin if he change, come become boy. I go that prophet place. Now that prophet place I go. I bet friends, may una follow me go.